Hello dear student, we have started the lesson Getting to Know Plants. We have started the lesson Getting to Know Plants. In that, in the last video we have discussed about the root system. The root system is nothing but a part of the plant which grows under the ground. Now let's discuss the next part of the plant, that is shoot system. Now what is the shoot system? The part of the plant which grows above the ground, that part is called as a shoot system. Okay. Now you can see this picture where you can see the different parts of the shoot system. We can see in a shoot system we can see the different parts such as fruit, flower, leaves, birds. We can see these things on the shoot system. Now you can see the shoot system is nothing but a part of the plant which grows above the ground, that is called as a shoot system. Now the main part of the plants are fruit, flower, leaves, stem. Yes. So stem and leaves, flower, fruits, these are the main part of the plant shoot system. Okay. So let's learn them one by one. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the stem. We are going to discuss about the stem. It is a very important part of the plant. Stem is a very important part of the plant which is very hard. In some plant it is very hard and it can hard and strong which holds the plant upright. Because of the stem, the plant can be upright, means straight. It can be a straight. So stem is also called as a trunk of the plant. Stem is also called as a trunk of the plant. Now you can see in some pictures, in some plants, you can see that the trunk of the stem is covered by one hard-like structure that is called as a bark. You can see this is a bark of a tree which covers the inner stem. The bark of a tree is very hard and tough. Are you getting this? The bark of a tree is very hard and tough which protects the inner stem. Are you getting? Now if you will look at this picture, you can see the bird, you can see this plant. The two main point, that is bird. Bird is nothing but the part of the plant which grow upward. The part of the plant which grows helps to grow upward, that is called as an apical bird. That is called as an apical bird which grows the plant in upward direction. And the another part of the bird is auxiliary bird which lies between the stem and the leaf, which arises, the auxiliary birds arises between the stem and the leaf. Here in auxiliary bird the new branches can be grown. Here in the auxiliary bird new branches can grow. Are you getting this? Then if you will look at the plant, the part where the leaf grow, that is called as a node. That is called as a node. The part of the stem where the leaf can grow, that part is called as a node. That is called as a node. And distance between the two nodes. The distance between the two nodes is called as an internode. The distance between the two nodes is called as an internode. So these are the main part of the stem. These are the main parts of a stem. So let's discuss about the function of stem. What is the function? What is the main use of the stem? So let's discuss about the stem. I hope you might have understood about the stem. Stem is nothing but the trunk of a tree, trunk of the plant, and the trunk is covered, the stem is covered in most of the plant. If you will see mango plant, you can see the rough covering is there, so that is called as a bar. That is called as a bar. Are you getting this? So let's discuss about the function of stem. What is the use of the stem? See, the main function, it gives a support to the plant. Because of the stem, the plant can grow straight. The plant can grow upright. So that is the main. It gives a support to the plant. It gives support to the plant. The next is it helps in conduction. Now, as you know, in last lecture we have discussed the root system. In the root system, what is the function of the root? It absorbs the water and mineral from the soil and it passes through the leaves. So this passing of this water and mineral is done by the stem. And as you know, the leaf prepare the food for the plant. Green plant prepare the food for the plant. So the food which is prepared by the plant, it is again transferred till the root by the stem. So it helps in the conduction. Means it the water and mineral which we get from the root, it is passes through the leaves by the stem, and the food which is prepared by the leaf, it is passes through the root, and this passing process is done by the stem. It is done by the stem. So it is the main function of the stem. Are you getting? Now when you move, the activity is given. Now see, if in the one glass the water is the pure water is kept, and in another glass the colored water is there. If you will see, after some days you can see the color on the leaves. So in this way the transformation is done by the stem. Are you getting this? So this is the main function of the stem. So now let's discuss about the modification. As you know, in the root there are the modification is done in also the root to do the additional function. Similarly, there are some plants where the additional function is done by some plants with the help of the stem. So let's discuss about the modification of stem. Now you might have heard the ginger, potato, where they grow? They grow under the ground. Yes, they grow under the ground, but they are not a root. They are not a root. They are the stem. In the class 5, growing the plant, we have discussed ginger, potato. They are the stem. They are the stem. Now, how are they? The stem of ginger, potato is developed underground. Under the ground, and because of its thick and fleshy storage of the food takes place. Because of the storage of food takes place in this, so they become a thicky and fleshy. They become little bit swollen. Are you getting this? They become a swollen. So storage takes place in them. Are you getting this? So the modification is done for the storing of the food. So this is the modification done in the stem. See, ginger, potato, onion, they are not a root. They are the underground stem. They are the underground stem. They develop thicky and fleshy because they store the food. They store the food. Are you getting this? So storing of food as one of the modifications done by the stem. Now you might have seen cactus plant. Okay, can you see this cactus plant? You can see the green leafy structure. Yes, can you see the green leafy structure? It is not a leaf. It is a stem. It is a stem. And if you can see some thorns, that we will see what is that thorns that we are going to discuss afterwards. But you can see the leafy structure. It is not a leaf. It is a stem. Now in a dry area where where there is a hot region, or in the dry region where there is a less amount of water, this modification of the stem is done. Such a modification of the stem is done to manufacture the food. Now here the stem prepare the food. Stem is used to prepare the food. Are you getting me? Now cactus is a plant which prepares the food. Are you getting it? It manufactures the food and also conserves the water. It helps in conserving the water. Are you getting this? So this modification is done for the some steam prepare the food such in a dry area. Then the last point modification of the steam is defense. For the defense. Now can you see this plant? Yes. Which is this plant? This is bougainvillea plant. This plant is bougainvillea plant. You can see there are some steam on the stem. There are some spice like this thorn like thorns are there on this stem. Why these are? You can see the thorns are there on this stem, which are hard and pointed, which helps the plant to protect them from the animals and from the other plants from eating. Now it helps the plant from eating from the animals. Are you getting this? For the defense. These thorns are there for the defense. If the animal will touch, they can harm their body if the thorns will hit them. So this biovital plant helps them from the defense. So it works. It is used for the defense. Are you getting this? So these are the modification function of the stem and what is the stem that we have discussed in the today's video. I hope you have understood it, and still if you will have any doubt regarding this video, you can ask me during Google Meet. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the next part of the shoot system, that is leaves, that we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay.